As AI tools become more common, kids are increasingly using them for schoolwork, games, and creative projects. While AI can be very helpful, it also comes with risks, especially when it comes to privacy and security. In this video, we'll look at how to help kids understand the importance of protecting their personal information, recognizing AI limitations, and being cautious about what they share. By teaching kids these basics, we're helping them enjoy AI safely and responsibly. What AI is and why it's different from real-life people. Begin by explaining that AI, or artificial intelligence, is software that performs tasks or answers questions by recognizing patterns in data. Unlike a real person, AI doesn't understand emotions or context. It simply mimics human language and actions. For example, tools like ChatGPT or Character AI might feel like talking to a real person, but they're actually chatbots designed to respond based on data patterns, not personal knowledge or experience. This distinction helps kids understand that while AI can seem smart, it's not the same as talking to a person. Understanding what chatbots are and their limitations. Explain that a chatbot is an AI designed to simulate conversation by following scripts or patterns. On platforms like Character AI, chatbots might seem real because they're programmed to sound like familiar personalities or fictional characters. However, they don't have real thoughts, emotions, or experiences. Encourage kids to remember that, while interacting with chatbots can be fun, they are not engaging with a real person, and chatbots cannot truly understand or safeguard personal details. Defining personal information and why it's private. Teach kids about personal information. Things like their full name, age, address, school name, phone number, or photos. Explain that this information is private and should only be shared with trusted adults. Use an analogy like, imagine writing your home address on a public wall. Anyone could see it. Explain that sharing personal information with AI can be similar, if not handled carefully, as the data might be stored and potentially accessed by others. How AI can save personal information and why that matters. Explain that many AI tools, including ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Character AI, can store information typed into them. This means that if kids mention personal details like where they live or talk about family members, it could stay in the system and might be accessible later. Encourage kids to think of AI as a tool that remembers, so they should only share information they'd be comfortable with others knowing. Real-life consequences of sharing too much information with AI. Provide real-life examples to show why guarding personal information is important. Explain that sharing too much can lead to unwanted contact or scams. For instance, a scammer could use details a child shared with AI to pretend to be a friend or family member and gain their trust. This helps kids understand that it's essential to keep certain details private and to be cautious online. Understanding permissions and privacy settings. Teach kids to check privacy settings and permissions on AI apps and websites. Show them how to see if an app is asking for unnecessary permissions, like access to the microphone or camera, without a good reason. Explain that just because an app asks for this information doesn't mean it needs it, and they should ask an adult if they're unsure. This helps build good habits around privacy settings. Recognizing and questioning deepfake videos and voice cloning. Explain that AI can create fake images, videos, or voices that look and sound real. These are called deepfakes or voice clones. For example, someone could make a fake video of a famous person saying something they never actually said. Encourage kids to question things that seem odd or surprising and verify information by checking trusted sources or asking an adult. This helps them stay aware of potential misinformation. Encouraging kids to ask questions and verify AI responses. Teach kids that AI doesn't always give correct answers and that it's okay to question what it says. If they're using AI for schoolwork or research, encourage them to double-check with other sources or ask an adult. Explain that AI responses can sometimes be wrong, and it's smart to stay curious and verify information. This way, kids learn to use AI as a tool without taking everything it says as fact. Talking to kids about AI safety is essential for helping them navigate technology responsibly. By understanding what personal information is, recognizing that chatbots aren't real people, questioning what they see and hear, and verifying AI responses, kids can use AI safely and make smart choices online. Teaching these basics gives them the confidence and tools to explore AI responsibly and securely. If this video helped you feel more prepared to talk to kids about AI safety, please hit the like and follow button for more content. Thanks for watching.